Tip number 1, always get a referral. Make sure they have a good reputation and that they've been around for a while, that they're not fly-by-night. Tip number 2, I recommend an on-site visit. Visit their operation, make sure they are who they say they are. Tip number 3, make sure they're responsive. Make sure they understand the job. Make sure they're prompt on their quote. Make sure that they're knowledgeable about what it is you're looking for. Tip number 4, check on the quality of their work. Make sure that they're careful. Make sure that they're accurate. Make sure that they give you back everything concise and uniform. Tip number 5, if you're dealing with sensitive or confidential material, make sure that they have good security and that they keep things locked up. Generally speaking, your fulfillment house is the last stage for your project. You want to make sure that it gets out right and on time.